And straight down. Okay, look straight ahead. Look up a little bit. This time take your chin and put your chin in and up. Any pain with that at all? Or no?
A little bit, yeah.
Where do you feel that?
Yeah.
Inside here?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Okay, go left. That's tight. And here. That's pretty good. Here again. That's really tight. So is your monitor in front of you? Or
Yeah, it's both sides. I got 2 screens.
Oh, you got 2 screens? Okay, come and have a seat here. All right, we're just going to start off, warm the muscles up a little bit. Let me have your hand, let me know, honey. And we're going to do a little work in here. So just relax, just relax. Hang on, honey. Nice and easy. We're going to do the works on you. All right. Anything hurts? Scream. Good. Is that okay? Good, good, good. A little tight in here. Good, relax the arm. Come here. Good. Good. Just want to loosen this up. Look down. Good, and just stretch. Nice and deep inside there. Feel that stretch? Good, man, good. A little straight. Here we go. Get right in the muscles. Nice and deep. How long are you doing IT?
4 or 5 years.
4 or 5 years, yeah. Just enough to mess up the neck and back.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. A little tight in there. Okay, relax your arm. Come this way. Good. And you see what your mom goes through. Look down. Look down. Stretch. Good. Look straight. Nice and easy. Good. Any low back pain ever or no?
Sometimes.
Sometimes, yeah. From sitting?
Yeah.
Yeah. You have a good chair or no?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this won't hurt. You're going to feel very, almost like nothing. Like nothing. It's just to loosen this up a little bit. Turn this way. Just going to stretch here. Good, good. That's it. Good. Look straight. Here we'll do the other side, nice and easy. Hold here. Good. Good. And again. And again. Good. Look straight ahead. No problem?
No problem.
Cool. This will feel a little different. You feel a little tap, little tap. All right. Turn this way here. Hold right there. Hold right there. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Good. Good. Awesome. Look this way. Straight. Just relax. Your shoulders are tight. Tight. Yeah. Okay, it's going to come to the front. Good. Turn this way, please. Hold. Hold. Nice and easy. Good. Okay, look straight. Nice and easy. Good. This is going to loosen up your shoulders. All right. Because you hunch forward too much. Take this arm, go like this, go like that. I'm going to ask you in a second to pull your elbow back, all right? It's going to be weird, right? It already popped.
Alright, pretty crap.
Let's try this side. That was quick. Let's try this side. That's really tight. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Try this side. Pull back. Back. Harder. Harder. More. There we go. Nice. 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 You have a little pressure in there, huh? Okay, come here and just relax. Just set that. Nice and easy. Good. Good. Just check the side again. Right up. Let it go. Good. Good. And then relax. Stretch. Good. And then here. Good. Nice. That's why I do the hammering stuff.
Yeah.
To loosen
Loosen
it
up.
up. Yeah, loosen up. Good. There we go. And let it go. Nice. Okay, let it go. Good. Never done this before? Okay. Good, good. Bring your leg over there. Go up even more. More. Cool, right there. Take this arm, come across, and this one comes underneath. We're going to do a twist, all right? We're going to twist left. So twist this way. Hold there for a second. I just want to see where you're tight. Let me see. Right there. Breathe in and breathe out. Twist left, twist left. Good. Good. That was easy. Let's do the other side. Put this hand on top. Hold on, let me see where you're tight. Give me a second. Right inside here. Breathe in again and out. Good. Okay. And relax your hands. Relax your hands. Good. Okay. All right, this one's going to be a little bit different. This time I'm going to lean you back. So cross your arms one more time. Like that. Head down. So when I lean you back, keep your head tucked. All right? Keep your head down like that. All right? Good one. Just like that. Right here. Breathe in one. Breathe out. Good. Let it go. Just relax. Come back. Let your shoulders relax. Let your shoulders relax. Come back up.
I don't have a backpack like that.
No? You have one more actually down here. Let's try one more. You actually, yep, I didn't think so, but right inside there, one more. All right, so cross again, first time, right? Keep your head tucked like that. This one will be easier. Right here. Breathe in again. Lean back. Let it go. Breathe out, let it go. Good. Good. Come back here. Good. How'd that feel?
Feels great.
Right? Cool. Come and lay down on your side and face the window. Rest your head here, okay? Cool. That's it, that's it. All right, cool. I'm going to turn you a little bit, just a little. Just hold right there. I'm going to bend this leg like this, just like that, okay? And just relax. You're going to feel like you're going to fall. You won't fall, I promise. Okay. Slide down just a little bit, just like that. That's cool, that's cool. And put our hands right there. He's going to come down, almost like you're falling. Just want to stretch the lower back. Nice. That's where we're going to adjust inside there. Just let that go. Good. Breathe in for me, deep. And all the way out. Let it go. Let. Okay. Let's go on your other side. Nice to see you. All right, I'm going to turn you one more time. Rest your head nice and easy. Bend this leg, just this one. Good. Just like that. Nice. Good. Let it drop. Just let it drop. No more. Good. You won't fall. Good. Yeah, see if you get a little movement in here. Yeah, let it go. No more. That's it. Come lay on your back, face up. Slide up a little. Everything good so far?
Everything good. Great.
Great. Not good, great. Oh my goodness. Cool. Let's see how we're doing here. Good. All right. Let's see how we're doing here. So I just want you to just breathe easy. That's it. Okay. All right. And I'm going to shave this off a little bit.
It's not time.
Not time?
Yeah.
All right. You see what happens when you get this. All the ganas come out. You see this?
That's why I gotta see where's up.
Oh, okay. And you look older. You don't want to look older. You want to look younger. All right. You know, when you're super canoso, forget it. You know, it's good. That's why I shave my head. My head is white. Completely. Good. Yeah, your neck is very stiff. Very stiff. See how tight it is here?
Yeah. Sometimes when I turn my neck, I get that feeling.
Yep. So we're going to start right here. Good. So your job here is just to focus on your breathing. All right, that's the most important thing. Sometimes when we don't breathe, we tighten up our muscles. So I'm going to just start off by turning you real slow. All right? Just relax your chest easy. Just going to come in here. Just going to stretch a little bit. You're going to feel a push in there. It's all you're going to feel. All right? And just close your eyes and just focus on the breathing. I want to really stretch out deep in here. Yeah, man. Right in there. Come back in. Good. Good. How'd that feel, Juan?
Feel good.
Good stuff, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyways.
I wasn't expecting that.
No? Neither was I. Right, we're going to do just one more. One more, okay? Nice and easy. Good. And just relax. Nice and easy. Right in there, you're all locked up.
I feel that.
Yeah, we're trying to move that. Same thing, just focus on your breathing. Just relax. Good. I'm going to go slow. Just want to stretch first. Stretch the muscle before we do anything. We're going to push like that. But let's just stretch all the way to the end, because this side in there is a little bit tighter. Good. Let's focus on the breathing. Yeah, some people laugh. Yeah.
Focus on the breathing.
Your mom's cracking up all the way. Good. Interesting, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Good. I want you to breathe in really deep. Breathe out. And let it go. Good. Nice. Okay, just going to check you here for a second. Awesome. Let me help you sit up. 1, 2, 3. Legs right over here. Here we go. Awesome. That's your first adjustment.
Thank you.
All right, how'd that feel?
Felt great.
Good stuff. Good. There we go. He's fussy, right? That's easy. Not too